Kung sawa ka na sa kakatanong ng mga friends mo anong oras ka free, girl, stop. Use Calendly. And this is also another tool na pwede mong pag-aralan kung gusto mo na maging virtual assistant. It's actually pretty simple. Step 1, sign up lang sa calendly.com. Gamitin mo na yung Gmail mo, libre naman siya. Next, i-connect mo sa Google Calendar mo para no double booking, automatic blocked off yung oras mo. Step number 3, set your availability. Like for example, for clients, obviously you want to be available siguro Monday to Friday, 9 p.m. to 5 a.m., ganyan. But for your friends, you want to do weekends, siguro mga Saturday and Sunday between 2 till 7 p.m., ganyan. At syempre, kailangan time zone friendly para walang kalituhan. Step number 4, create event types. For example, 15 minutes discovery call or 30 minutes client meeting. Clear and professional. And step number 5, share your link. Instead of endless back and forth, client na mismo ang pipili ng slot. Simple pero game changer, Calendly makes you look like a pro and client ready na. Kaya kung aspiring virtual assistant ka, learn this tool ASAP. Keep in mind na marami pa tayong tools na pag-aaralan sa ating free GVA training. You can check on it by going to blogimaryGroup.com/GVA. So far, ano na yung mga nagustuhan yung tools na pinag-aralan natin? Paki-comment nyo lang yan siya dyan and comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!